In this video, I'll show you how to replace the boot latch in a car that looks like this. It's a Vauxhall Corsa. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay, step one is to remove this trim panel on the inside of the tailgate. It's held in place by two bolts here inside the grab handles, and this is a close-up of one of those bolts. To remove those bolts, we need a T25 Torx bit like this. And there we go, two bolts successfully removed. The panel is also held in place by various clips around its edge. To release those, simply grab it and pull. We can now access the boot latch, which is that thing down there. Here's a close-up and there's the back of it. We now need to remove the power cable that goes to the boot latch, and for that we need a small flat-headed screwdriver. That's handy. So, poke the screwdriver down here and press that clip. Can you see it moving? That's the clip that holds the power cable in place. So we'll poke that, and now we'll give the power cable a pull, and with a little bit of luck and a little bit of persuasion, it will come out of place. There we go. We now need to remove the two bolts that hold the latch to the car, and we can find them here. To remove those bolts, we need a T30 Torx bit. What an astonishing stroke of luck! So here comes bolt number one. There we go. And here comes number two. And now those bolts are out the way, we can simply lift the latch away from the car. Just like that. As for buying a replacement boot latch, well, they're available on eBay second-hand, typically for £15. Alternatively, you might find one behind your sun visor. And of course, fitting the new boot latch is simply the reverse of what I've already shown you. So, while I do that, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video? And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.